The Skyvac suction poles allow access to typically inaccessible gutters, all from the safety of the ground, and up to a height of 40 feet. Compatible with the Skyvac Commercial and the Skyvac Atom, these poles and accessories are able to tackle a wide variety of gutter cleaning tasks, providing effective results every time. Interconnecting poles easily slot together to achieve your desired height and have a 44mm diameter. The vast range of tools means you are able to tackle any task when it comes to clearing gutters. The push-fit poles are easy to build. Simply slot your poles in one by one to your desired cleaning height. These poles are extremely light. As you can see here, just 1 cup of water weighs more than a single push-fit pole. Our brand new vac release conversion kit enables you to control suction from the safety of the ground. You no longer need to waste time lowering your poles to remove big tufts of gutter growth. Simply release the tuft and continue working. The push-fit poles may be light, but they sure are strong. We lifted 2 of our Skyvac generators with a combined weight of 61.8 kg to demonstrate how much weight these poles can withstand. If you want to use our Skyvac Elite tools with your push-fit poles, you now can. This tapered rigid pole enables you to transform your end pole into one that is compatible with our Elite tools, including the exclusive hairpin neck, Viper tool, up and over tool, and many more. At Skyvac, we work smarter, not harder, and that's the reason that Skyvac is simply the best.